Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Scruggs. I hope y'all are having a super awesome day and that you've been working hard on your school. I wanted to get on here and read y'all a book. I know that you've been learning or working on some stuff with life cycles, and so I wanted to read y'all a book. And the name of it is What Are Some Life Cycles, so that you can learn some more different things about them. Okay, so let's get started. What is a life cycle? A life cycle is all the stages or parts of the life of a living thing. Every living thing has a life cycle. It grows and changes, then it makes new living things. Animals have life cycles. Plants have life cycles. Fungi have life cycles too. What are fungi? They are not plants or animals, but they are living things. Mushrooms are one kind. All living things have life cycles, but not all life cycles are the same. Okay, and then here is a picture of a mushroom. Animal life cycles. All animals have life cycles. The life cycle begins with a new animal. The animal grows and becomes an adult. Then the adult animal has its own young. The life cycles of animals are not all alike. There are many different groups of animals. These groups have different life cycles. And this text box right here says a tortoise has a very long life cycle. There's the picture of it. Mammals. Do you know what a mammal is? A mammal is a kind of animal that has hair or fur. A dog is a mammal. So is a monkey. Most mammals are born live. A young mammal drinks its mother's milk. It grows and changes. When it is an adult, it can make new mammals. A yak is a mammal. This young yak drinks its mother's milk. That's what that picture is right there. Birds. Birds are animals with wings and feathers. Their life cycle is not the same as the life cycle of mammals. Young birds grow inside eggs. The mother or father bird keeps the eggs warm. A young bird is called a chick. When the chick is ready to hatch, the egg cracks. The young chick cannot fly. The mother or father bird must bring it food. After it grows, the young bird learns to fly. When it is an adult, it can make new birds. Those new birds will grow inside eggs too. This says young robins cannot get their own food. Their mother brings them food. Butterfly. A butterfly begins growing in a tiny egg. When the egg hatches, a larva comes out. The larva is a caterpillar. The larva grows quickly. Its skin gets too tight, so it breaks out of the skin. It does this many times. Soon, the larva changes to a pupa by making a hard case. It changes inside the hard case. At last, the case opens and the butterfly comes out. Now it is an adult. It has wings. It can make new butterflies that will begin as eggs. Okay, and this is a picture of a butterfly larva, and this is an adult butterfly. Frogs. New frogs also grow inside eggs. The eggs are in the water. When a new frog hatches, it is called a tadpole. A tadpole is shaped like a fish. It lives in the water, then it grows legs and its tail begins to disappear. Then it leaves the water. When it is an adult, it lives in water and on land. An adult frog will lay eggs in the water. New tadpoles will grow inside the eggs. And this says, these tadpoles will grow to become frogs. That's a picture of a tadpole in a cup. Plant life cycles. Plants have life cycles, just as animals do. A seed is the part of a plant that grows a new plant grows from. If the seed has food and water, it grows. Roots are the part of a plant that take nutrients and water from the soil. The roots grow down and a stem grows up. A stem is the part of the plant that holds up the leaves. Leaves use sunlight to make food for the plant. A stem moves food and water through the plant. After the plant has grown, it can make new plants. Some adult plants have flowers. A flower is a part of a plant that makes new seeds. Fruit is the part of some plants that hold seeds. A fruit grows on a plant and then may fall to the ground. Its seeds can make new plants. The new plants will look like the plant they came from. And this right here, this text box says this plant grew from a seed. It grew roots, a stem, leaves, and a flower. And this picture says this text box says many peach trees grow in Georgia. There's a picture of peach trees and then a peach is actually on a tree. And this man looks like he's picking the peaches. Or working on it or something. Seasons. Many plants change with each season. A season is a part of the year that has a certain kind of weather. Spring, summer, fall, and winter are seasons. In spring, many plants begin to grow. Some flowers grow on some plants. That's kind of how it is now. It's springtime, so there's lots of trees blooming and flowers blooming around, and it makes it so pretty outside. In summer, the flowers make seeds. A fruit grows around the seeds. In fall, many trees change. Their leaves change color and fall off. In winter, some plants die. Others do not. They rest and grow again in spring. This says a tree changes as the seasons change. That shows you what the tree can look like in the different seasons. So spring, it's just got the leaves coming in. Then summer, it's a bright green tree. And then in fall, the leaves are changing colors. And then in winter, all the leaves have fall off the tree. Summary. All plants and animals have life cycles. A life cycle is all the steps in the life of a living thing. Different kinds of animals and plants have different life cycles. Many plants change with the seasons. There's a picture of an elephant, mama elephant with her baby elephant. And that is it. So I hope you enjoyed learning about different life cycles. It's a really cool book. And this right here is a kangaroo with the baby kangaroo in the mama's pouch. So I hope y'all have a good rest of your day and keep working on your school. Bye, guys.